Andikholwa into uba uprincipal Mkhwana uzosishiya. Indlela endi-excited ngayo uphathwa nguye.
Yeah. Yena besiphatha njengotata wethu. Ubungasoze utsho.
Kwakhalwa ngaye ke esikolweni.
Yazi le department ibingafuna ungiqasha. Isithi andikho fit for le position.
Njani?
Handilela ke yena kuprincipal Mkhwana si. Ever since then, oko waba yimentor kum noSam.
Utsho umyeni wakho?
Ndiyathemba ungalala ngoxolo.
Ayihlanga loo nhlanga sisi. But uyayazi mos uba ikhona into oyidingayo Mkhwaneni. Mr. Palang.
Lenga. Ya go khopotsa ke tlo dira sentle ka wena. Although I know I've been a nightmare. Make it batlo baka.
Ethi uyadlala Sam. Unxele nomnxila. Sigqibela lahlekelwa nguprincipal Mkhwanazi wena uzama unimanipulate uba mandibuyele endlini. You really can't help yourself, can you?
Sawubona mem.
Molo tata.
Ngingu-Detective Madondo. Yeah, ngize la mayelana ne-investigation.
Kodwa nina amapolisa kutheni lento nidonsa unyawo kangaka xa kufanele bani zonceda abantu? Uyayazi into ba bendigqekezelwe mina apha.
Oh.
Ndiqekezelwe kwathathwa yonke into eyi-electronic nditsho kwa-footages ezicollecta yonke into ephaa kulaa camera.
Hawu,
i-hard drive zihambile kwanto. Uhambile?
Strange yonke le nto ongitsheleyo.
Kanjani ustrange? Kuba mna nomyeni wami sine-cameras.
Ya, isona sizathu senza ukuthi ngize la ikhamera. Benginethemba lokuthi mhlambe singathola i-footage sikwazi ukuthi sibone ukuthi obani ababulala lo principal. Sibone ukuthi abani abangenile baphuma lapha esikoleni.
Kodwa
hayi kwakubi ke ma, ngoba bengithemba ukuthi mhlambe ungangisiza.
Ndiva kabuhlungu kona ngalento yale civilians. Kodwa ndizokwazi mani ukunceda uxolo.
Akunankinga ma. Ngibonge isikhathi sakho.
Okay.
Yeah. Mina ngiyehomshe spot egoshe so. Yeah. Le mali ngiyidudla. Kanti ngiyagula. Ngibethe ukuthi imali engaka ngiyigubha akuyakupha sekuphelela namasesuthi athi lo bodlelesi akuyashuba
Ngizodinga imoto esi.
Ma?
Ngidinga imoto my boy.
Imoto leli why namhlanje?
Yeah, ngifuna ukuya lapha kamasipala esi. Mangibuya ngibona Mama Joyce yo akazizwa kahle.
Hayi leli you can be serious usho ukuthi mina fanele nginyanyandula vele kuyesikele. Uyazini athi mina vele ngiprobe wena off lapha eOrlando Stadium bese wena ubamba ama taxi.
Ngizoba late na last week ngiyengaba late. Ngiphinde futhi namhlanje.
Uyabona ke ukuze singaziphindi lento ya last week asivele sihambe manje ngoba uthi uzoba late. Iphi bag? Awuphethanga nebag. Iphi bag na? Iphi bag? Mara yazi wena my love Marosa. Asambe.
Balunile ndile. Freshi.
Balo. This place is the pits. Listen, contain this. Fresh air. Amanda. Yini? Calm down. Was blotted. Relax a little bit, Bonnie. Take this. Man pencil.
Ma, akaboni ipani lami.
Nale ngapha ibhande.
Yebo.
Yazi mntanami awukaze phela uvuke late kangaka.
Ngiseliwe nje kuphela ma, akulutho.
Akulutho kanjani Nkuli? Wena kade uphupha kabi umemeza into ongakazi uyibone. Wavuka ujulu kumanzi te.
Bekuyiphupha elibi ma. Ngicela ihembe. Nawe kuyofanele ukuthi ungazube le magwinyeni.
Mntanami into ebalulekile la kimi nguwe phela. Okunyayi cha. Yazi mntanami ngikhathazekile kuyabonakala ukuthi khona into engahambi kahle.
Ha? Ngikhathazeke, ngizoba right na.
Hey, watch where you're going. Yazi ba amangesi xa ethetha athi more haste, less speed. Yazi bithetha ukuthini la? The more you rush, slower you become. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm just lost. I mean, late, sir. I'm just late.
Nkuli. Yazi into yobana xa ninonke ningabafundi. Into yosoleka kwa-principal as you rattled. Kodwa ke umnyango wamahlalo uvulekile. It's not an easy time. Xa sisonke sizile. You can come back to me anytime, okay? Hamba wena, eklasini.
Gas. Kambani Sibali? Wahlahla amehlo manje. Yazi wena Nkuli Sibali, uhlala usolve for X. Lalela la. Ngithi manje ngiphathele ngozala wena yini inkinga?
Ngicungeka.
La relax abantwana yami. Yabona le. Uzokwenza ukuthi ube grand since ngiyeke. Hey we. Izinja zakhona. Nayidento. Yebo mfethu ngithi ngikhona nibatsheleni ukuthi ngizwakele ngada izansi ne. Yase Dala fast. Izinja sekusaye. Wayenza ngathi angiboni. Sekusenhle kuhambani la isigela nenza ngathi aningiboni la madam. Angibonakali. Since wena ulady ngikuphathele itsinyana ukuthi mawufika la eclassini ukhona ukusolve x.
Ay mina ulady ngangibhodisi.
Lady ngakubhodisa. Khohlwa manje uMagriza manje. Yabona uMagriza wakhe angeke akubhodise mawungathatha le. Ayinabungozi mfana wami. Yabona ulady by the time afuna ukubhodisa wena uzobe wenza indodla mfana wami uphumile kule sikolo lesi uphumile kule miserable life. Ufane nami boy.
Now that we know that the school wants to get rid of the maths and science department, we will all have to pull up our socks.
Sir, unayi plan?
The plan is to pull up our socks or there is no science or maths next year.
If you're going to save the science department, kuzomele senze more than just a pep talk.
Say. Angisho ukuthi mhlawumbe ngiyadisturb or something but nami ngifunda lana bafethu. Ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi why mates bayikhipha.
It's because you kids won't pass. That's why. And that attitude is exactly the problem. It's like you say, Sakele, what does solve for X have to do with you buying a car someday? That's if you get to buy that car someday.
Sorry, sir. Now one netine. I'm quite happy with these new developments. Maybe seretla pasa kaofela.
Hayibo, guys, ayikho right lento. I-maths ne-science ama-subjects abaluleke kakhulu.
See. Ipuelo liwan sikabuela kaofela.
Well, kimi is very important. Hela one day mina ngifuna ukwenza i-biochemistry. Ngizoyenza kanjani without maths?
Wena, biochemistry. Hayi soka.
Hayi wena Poppy ufuna ukuba uphuze chemist. Yeah.
For those of you who wish to continue with maths and science, you are advised to go to a school which still offers the subjects.
Yini wena manje? Sesibamba nabuhlungu kanje mina nawe sibale.
Hayi senzo. Lalela. Sengitenkile leli. Ungifake.
Ngikufaka kuphi? Sakhele.
Oh yes.
Nazini?
Offer yakho ukuthi ukumashisa stuff sakho. Ngifuna ukufana nawe nami bene trans.
Why all of the sudden so ufuna ukuba udantilili wena phezulu kwezinto so ufuna ukungimashisela istaff? Ekubeni wena izolo lokho ongitshela ukuthi already lingakubulala. Ukhohle.
Msenzo, uyabona izinto la isikele sihamba kanjani? Kumabheketwana. Bangabholela iprincipal ku remove ama subject. Kuyafiwa nje and mina ngifuna ukufa.
Ngifuna ukufa nami. Khuleka. Yazi. Cabanga ukuthi izosipana la ile. Sure. Kodwa sithembe wena Zakhele ukuthi awuzelanga la uzo waste isikhathi sami noma iproduct yami. Ngoba ngale kwaloko uzosuke ngithatha igear. Ngiqhumise ngilibhekise ngakuwe. Yabona so smart kanjani? Utholakala embobeni ke uzolanda istaff sakho. Sazoqala imbobo ibruko sami.
And why are you sitting all alone?
Oh, sometimes ngiyathanda ukuhlala ngiyi-one. Baleka wonke lo msindo lo.
Anyways, I want to say thank you for the jersey and the pad. I'll make sure I wash it and give it to you tomorrow. The jersey.
Yeah, of course. Sorry.
Were you serious about doing biochemistry? No. I think it's a brilliant idea. Yes. Don't let anyone laugh at your dreams. Half of these kids here don't know who they are, what they want. They're just lost. And you are little Miss Luther. You have a dream. And remember, we're just girls. And girls run the world. I didn't say that. Miss B said that.
Yeah, okay.
Just have dreams and go for them.
Okay.
This is your world.
Sure. Kodwa wena, you know if I
To be out of the school. No offense. I'm just waiting for my father to come down and drag me out of this punishment.
Punishment? When's it?
About that, we listen and we don't judge. Promise.
Okay.
I was expelled from 8 schools.
8 schools?
I know.
We
We listen, we don't judge.
Judge.
I can explain.
Khuleka lona uyazula-zula. Fly, ikati elimhlophe, ungafika manje.
Yeah. Meneer. King, where's that? Hey, when? King. Hey, voetsek, onkelijn. Hey, bon. Wat jij nu explain de principal. Arrie. Hey, ons kan het eruit kabangen, man. Arrie, hoe noemt de principal? Arrie.
Bantwana. Where did you get this from? Okay. It's the kind of game you want to play? How's your dad? All right. I'm just gonna have to call Mama wako. But before ndenze lonto, ngifonela amapolisa.
No, sir. Akwazi ukufuna esinye icebo.
You want to talk, right?
Angithengisa ama-drugs, akusiwa wami.
Good then. Give me something I can work with. So drop by phone.
Abona wami ama-drugs.
Kakabani.
Khona engamthengiselayo.
Kubani lo?
Stand.
Mamel, I'll call you back. It's okay. Look at me. Look at me. Ndalinga nje. Ndanibona ngithengisa drugs apha kwesi sikolo nalasenzo. Ndaphuma niphele kwesi sikolo. Are we clear?
Ngiyabonga sir.
Phuma. Phuma!
Manje siyakuzo.
Phuma! Usazijongile ezi drugs, usazijongile.
You still have what it takes. It's not over until the fat man sings, and we, my friend, have not yet sung. Arolata msari warwa.
Yes. Happy days. Dichile.
Bafethu.
Amahlathi aphelile akusekho ukuqasha. Ngitheni kuwe wena son?
Ntanga
Ntanga. Yazi ukubloma nalentwana lamalanga umenza zibone ngathi mina naye sisabontanga. Wena son. Ngithi ziphi into zami wena son?
Principal Tesenzo uyicozela nibekathi ubhelela amahata nebekuzofahla kamina.
Uthi principal wenzeni? Uthi principal uzoyenzani? Uthatheni? Wenzani? Lalela la wena son. Indaba nyana yakho no principal wakho ayingigquzi qakala mina ngithi into zami wena dodi man.
Ngizozikhokha zonke.
Uzozikhokha vele zonke. Ukakesari kuzobuya kukesari and this time kuzobuya double. Lalela la. Ngithi ukukesari kuzobuya double angizothi ngithi. Sukela namhlanje wena uzosebenza i-day shift, usebenze ne-night shift. Umeke sure ukuthi into zami zibuya. Ngithini? Double. Check in. Bye, Nassan. Intwana ecabanga ukuthi ngiyathweka le mangibhekile. Amahlathi aphelile.
Sam, usuka phi? You missed some of your classes.
But bua le wena ka sengwe se se botlhokwa.
Is everything okay?
No, tsotlhe di siame. Ke batla bua le wena fela. Nna le wena re le babedi. I mean, isn't jano. Mkhatile.
Oh, hayi, ndingayithanda nami loo nto. Zikhona izinto ezibalulekileyo endifuna sizithethe sobini.
Tot.
Yeah. Masithi mhlawumbi 3 p.m. in my class. I have a lot of marking futhi nabantwana bazobe sebegodukile. Yeah. By the way, i-shirt yakusebenzela. Yeah.
Tshepe monna. O tlo kgona ke mosadi wa gago. Mosadi wa gago. Tsamotsa mosadi wa gago. A ke tlogele fa ka ntle ga gago. Are.
Hayi, uzofika by in 15 minutes.
15 minutes, that's a lot of time.
You sure?